So this is exactly how to fix DayZ not connecting to servers on your PlayStation 4 or PlayStation 5. So firstly go into settings here on your PlayStation and then click on network and then go into settings here and then click on setup internet connection. Now you're going to select the Wi-Fi that you're connected to and then click on this button here and then click on advanced settings. Then scroll down and click on DNS settings. Change it from automatic to manual and then you can see the primary DNS. It should be set to this 8.8.8.8 and the secondary DNS should be set to 8.8.4.4. Then just click on OK in the bottom right corner. The reason why you want to be able to do this is because this might give you a stronger Wi-Fi than you had before, or a stronger Wi-Fi connection rather. So at least it did so for me. Now what you're going to do is to select DayZ and then click on this button again and click for... Yeah, I haven't had it open now, but if you had it open, I'm just going to show you exactly what I mean. You have to click on close game here, as you can see. And then you will be able to go back and try once again. And this is exactly how I was able to fix it myself.